Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20E and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the volume of your ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the right or to the left side with your finger, and by this way you can change your volume of your ringtone. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just firstly be sure that here on the default volume button control you got selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just if you will press on your down or up volume button, you can adjust your ringtone volume also. And also you can make it by the third way, just by swapping this volume panel with your finger to the up or to the down. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.